What's going on YouTube? It's your boy DollarMike back at again with another video. And what a week we had as far as the stock market, investing, Robinhood, every other platform known to man. What a week we've had. I'm just saying, it's been a crazy week. It's been a crazy January. It's been a crazy 2021 so far. But of course, in this video, I'm talking about Robinhood. And if you couldn't tell by the title, I am leaving Robinhood. I don't know when. I don't know how. I do know why, but I will be leaving Robinhood. I do want to talk about a couple of things in this video, so let's not waste any of your time. Let's get right into the video. Let's go. Before I begin, I just want to mention that I make videos all about personal finance here on YouTube. So anything regarding money, so that means credit cards, credit in general, saving money, investing money, budgeting, the stock market, obviously, all that's covered right here on DollarMike, all on the channel. So if you want to check any of that stuff out, definitely just go around the channel, see if you'd like anything. And if you do, drop a comment down in that video in particular, or just let me know in this video anything you'd like to see. Because once again, this is for you. All this content is for you, and I got you 100% covered. Also, make sure you hit that like button because that's the best way to support me. If you would like to support me, thank you very much for that. And subscribe if you would like as well. But let's backtrack just a little bit. Obviously, we all know what happened in the stock market this week. And if you don't know what happened in the stock market this week, definitely just go and check out my previous videos, or honestly, anybody that talks about stocks or investing videos on YouTube, and you'll find out exactly what happened on the stock market this week because it's been a wild week. Either way, the past Thursday, Robinhood actually locked us out of buying hot stocks like AMC, GameStop, and a couple others. You guys know the deal. And then the next day, which was yesterday for me and Friday for you, they opened it back up for us, but they only allowed us to do limited buys. So with stocks like GameStop, we were only allowed to buy, I think, about 10 shares of GameStop max, maybe even 5. And by the end of the day, it was 1. And as far as AMC goes, I believe we were only allowed to buy about 115 shares of AMC if we wanted to. And if you already had 115 shares, well, you were just kind of out of luck. You couldn't buy any more. You weren't allowed to. Simple as that. They also disabled the buying for fractional shares on AMC, GameStop, and all the other stocks that were mentioned in previous videos, as well as all over YouTube, which is honestly ridiculous. And if you guys don't know what fractional shares are, essentially that just allows you to buy part of a share instead of buying a full share. So let's say you wanted to get into some GameStop, but obviously you saw that GameStop price was sitting at about what, $300 a share. If you don't have $300, maybe you only had 50, you could buy a fractional share of GameStop and still contribute to the overall cause, basically. So you could just buy $50 worth of GameStop stock, and that would essentially give you whatever that equates to in the share amount. So I would say, what's that, about a fifth of a share of GameStop, something like that. On top of that, I had a couple people report to me that they weren't blocking deposits, but essentially with Robinhood, if you go ahead and toss $100 in, they'll let you go ahead and spend $100, and then once that money actually clears, then you can go ahead and be good with your account. Usually that's how it works on Robinhood, but in this day in particular, you had to deposit that $100, and then you had to wait, what, 2 to 3 days for it to clear. And in the case where you want to buy on Friday, you don't have the money to actually buy it, even though you actually deposited the money into Robinhood, because you had to wait 2 to 3 days for that money to actually clear in your account, and then you can go ahead to proceed to buy GameStop, AMC, Dogecoin, whatever you want to call it. Obviously, all this is going on while Dogecoin is still spiking, while AMC is still going up or holding steady for the most of the day, and GameStop as well. They both basically had the same exact chart for the day, which was basically they opened up high and they ended at a little bit of a lower price, but overall they're still ended up with over 50% gains for the day. Now that we've caught up to current time, today is Saturday. Dogecoin is back down to about 2 cents, I believe, a coin. And now I'm seeing news that Robinhood is basically limiting the buys of 50 different stocks come Monday. So come Monday, when the stock market opens, you will have a limited buy set for some major stocks, some penny stocks, as well as some SPACs. What? Honestly, this is just a big wow. I'm really surprised in Robinhood. I really don't know what's going on. I'm assuming that they just don't have the money at this point in time to actually cover our buys, because they put this whole post out, which was honestly all their blog posts are nonsense, but they put this post out saying that they had to do all this stuff with their clearing houses and money and all that kind of stuff. The average person is not looking at that. They might, I mean, they should, because they're an investor, so they should check that stuff out. But generally speaking, I still think they're lying to us, and if they're not lying to us, why don't you actually have the money, Robinhood, to actually go and cover our buys on any of these stocks that we want to buy? And we obviously know the real answer is to protect these hedge fund managers, but they're saying, oh no, we just can't do it all. We can't do it all, even though we're like one of the biggest apps out here, and we've been around for like 4 or 5 years now, and we know how big our platform is, and we know how we've changed investing for the better. Robinhood has done all these different things, and you're telling me now that you can't handle the crowd, even though we knew the crowd was coming, because I mean, it's all over Reddit, it's all over Twitter, it's all over YouTube. You knew exactly what people wanted to do. You knew exactly what people wanted to buy, everything. So get your stuff together. It's not looking good. I saw all the interviews with the Robinhood CEO. Not looking solid. You guys should definitely check those out on YouTube, wherever you go to watch your stuff at. I just watch everything on YouTube because It's YouTube. I mean, where else do you watch stuff at? I have no idea. Either way, check out those interviews. I mean, the guy didn't know. He said the same thing the whole time. Either way, the CEO of Robinhood sounded like a straight politician. Couldn't give us straight answers, just kept beating around the bush like most politicians do. Okay, we're used to it. Honestly, it's government. We get it. We know it's rigged. It is what it is. But that's why everyone's leaving. Everyone's doing their own thing. You can obviously still stay on Robinhood if you want to, because once again, your money is insured. Your money is safe. It is FDIC insured, so it's not like Robinhood's a terrible platform. It's just this is terrible of them to do something like this. Real quick, before I actually get into how I plan on leaving Robinhood, when, and all that kind of good stuff, I just want to mention Dogecoin, Doggycoin, whatever you want to call it. I really don't care. It doesn't matter. I have some as well. As you guys all know, there's a lot of hype around that right now. So Robinhood is also limiting buys on that from what people can tell, and honestly trying to buy it or sell it is just, it's always chaos, honestly. So I don't know what's up with that, but if you guys don't want to use Robinhood to buy Dogecoin, Doggycoin, whatever you want to call it, you can use Binance or you can use Kraken. I think there are a couple other platforms as well, but or I think Bittrex is one of them as well. So I'll probably just put some pictures up. I don't have referral links for any of those because I don't personally use any of those. I used to use Kraken like 3-4 years ago, but then they got hacked at one point in time. I was like, eh. So yeah, if you guys want to buy some Dogecoin on those platforms, then you can go and do that. Because Robinhood, it's hit or miss, honestly. Every time it goes up, I mean, you can buy some, but the order might not go through until it's already up 2, 3, 4 more cents or whatever, you know, because of that many amount of orders. I don't know. I just feel like they don't know what they're doing. And Robinhood definitely isn't the best place to buy crypto anyway. So definitely go do that anywhere else. Go and check out Coinbase, even though you cannot buy Dogecoin on Coinbase. So don't try to do that because it's not there. But you can go buy other coins on there. And if you use my referral link for Coinbase, you'll get a free $10 in Bitcoin. So if you want to use it, check it out. It's linked down below. Now, what is the situation between me, Robinhood, and this YouTube channel? Let's get into that. So as far as I go, if I didn't have this YouTube channel right now, Robinhood would be gone next week. I would not be using Robinhood next week. I just don't personally like how everything went down. Obviously, other brokerages, the same thing kind of happening as far as limiting buys and stuff like that. But the way Robinhood went about it was just the wrong way. We knew absolutely nothing. There was no blog post. They just like took it down. It was like, oh, we're going to make a blog post 7 hours from now. Everybody else, they were like, yeah, we're taking it down. And here's our blog post why we're taking it down right now. I have an issue with that. Don't really trust that. It is what it is. Like I said before, your money is secure in Robinhood, just like these other brokerages. As long as it's FDIC insured, your money is secure. But regardless, I don't like how they went about that. Now, in the perspective of this channel, obviously, I've recommended Robinhood to you guys. I've recommended other brokerages to you guys, but I really only recommend brokerages that I actually like, I actually use, and Robinhood is actually one of them. Overall, I do like Robinhood. I like the simplicity. I like how everything's laid out. I really do love the app. It's just that simple. And it's just sad to see that we had to keep going down this same route with Robinhood. They're getting sued multiple times for multiple different things. But like overall, these other brokerages just don't compare to me. They're just not as good. Obviously, some of them have way better tools and offer way more benefits than Robinhood does. But you know, like I said before, simplicity means a lot to me. Ease of use means a lot to me and my subscribers. There are a lot of people that are just jumping into investing, don't know anything about what they're doing. And Robinhood is a great app to teach them exactly how to be a beginner investor. Other brokerages like Webull, Fidelity, E-Trade, they're all solid brokerages. They're all really good. But the problem I have with them is the same problem I don't have with Robinhood. The ease of use, allowing people just to jump in, buy some stocks, sell some stocks. Obviously, you should know some stuff, but the way the apps are just set up, it's just, I just don't like it. Personally, you may like it. You need to test it out for yourself and find that, but I don't like it. I just think it's really rough. I really do like Webull now. I've learned to use Webull, and once you learn to use anything, it's probably going to be pretty easy for you to use. But the point is, Robinhood is easy to learn, easy to use from the jump. It's just that simple. I also make monthly portfolio updates on this channel, and Robinhood makes it really easy for me to show you guys my full portfolio, how everything's laid out, how everything works. Honestly, I've looked at Fidelity the most for the time being, but as far as trying to present that to you guys, I just don't like it. I think Fidelity is a solid app. I think it's an amazing brokerage, actually, but I don't like the app. I don't like how it's laid out. I don't think it's good enough for me to present to you guys in a monthly dividend update. I just don't think it looks as good as Robinhood. It's that simple. There are other apps like that. Like I can go and check out Public, but Public has less features. I can go and check out Doe as well. I believe they're black owned, but I also believe they have less features as Robinhood. Webull somewhere in the middle has more features than Robinhood in one case and less in the other case, but Webull also the presentation it doesn't work. M1 Finance wouldn't work for the channel as well. It just keeps going. I had to figure something out. I'll find something, but I really don't know when that's going to be. Maybe TD Ameritrade. I have to look at E-Trade again, maybe Vanguard, but then maybe not Vanguard, because a lot of these big brokerages or these ones that have been around for basically ever, they have really solid desktop applications, but as far as their mobile applications and how I actually invest is usually on my phone. is not good at all. It's it's just the way it's laid out. It's just not good. So we'll figure something out. But honestly, I don't have a direct answer of when I'm leaving Robinhood. But I can 100% guarantee you I will be leaving. I just don't know when, because I have to find the right platform for me to use that works the best for me and also works the best for presenting everything to you. So if you have some recommendations for that, definitely drop it down below in the comment section. I'm going to be looking for probably the next month, maybe a month and a half, maybe 2 months. I mean, I don't know. It depends on how long this stuff takes. Overall, I'm really just disappointed. This is like the third time that Robinhood's been sued or something like that. This has affected me personally. The last 2 times didn't affect me personally, but this has affected me personally. So I see the hate. You know, before a lot of people hated Robinhood. You know, I was like, whatever. You know what I mean? Whatever. I love the app. It's a great app, and I still do love the app. It is a great app, but I mean, this is different. This is different. So I don't know. I have to figure it out. I have to find somewhere else to go. It is what it is. Like I said, let me know down in the comment section below. But the disappointment just piles on, and just to be named Robinhood, but you're not for us. You're not for the regular investor. You're for the rich. It looks like. What are you doing? Change the name? You gotta change the name now. I mean, you're frauds. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know. You guys let me know. That's pretty much it on the Robinhood front of things. You guys know exactly where I stand now. But I also, yesterday, I went out and bought a whole bunch of live streaming equipment. So I'm actually going to start live streaming, or that's my goal, is to start live streaming. Hopefully the stock market, maybe I'll do some gaming if you guys are interested in gaming. Not on this channel. It'll probably be on a separate channel, maybe on Twitch. I don't know, on YouTube. I'm not sure. Let me know down in the comment section below if you guys are interested in like gaming content, because I'm a big gamer. I game a lot. Or I game enough. I wish I could game more, but I'm making a lot of videos, so you know I take a lot of time up for that. Either way, yeah. So I got some live stream equipment. I got my mic. My mic's over here. Got this Focusrite like thing that makes the audio do the thing. I'm pretty new to this, so I don't know what all this stuff means, but I got it all set up. I've done a lot of research. I've done a lot of YouTube video. You know, YouTube teaches you everything. Check that stuff out. Check that stuff out. So yeah, all that kind of stuff there. I actually got a Elgato Stream Deck over here, so it's cool. It's gonna be fire. The live stream is gonna. I just need a light. I got my webcam up there too as well. So I just need like a like a ring light or something to put. I got this light, but it's too big. Just like a ring light or something to put behind my monitor. Also, if you have recommendations for that, let me know down in the comment section. Yeah. So might be live streaming the stock market this coming Monday. Because like I said before, I still have my positions in AMC, Nokia, and Express. So be on the lookout for that. The main reason why I really can't live stream during the week is because I have a regular day job. I work every single day during the week. I don't stay at home to work. I actually go into the office every single day to work. I work in the IT field, so we kind of have to be there. But it's possible that it might be a blizzard this comes Sunday, tomorrow, into Monday and Tuesday. So if that's the case, then I'll probably be off of work. And if I am off of work, then catch me live here on DollarMike. I'll be live with my position on Robinhood as well as on Webull for AMC as well as Express and Nokia, and we can just talk about everything. And I might still do a live stream tomorrow, or today now. So just be on the lookout. And of course, live streams in the future. Whatever you guys want me to talk about, I can talk about. I got everything set up now. I was doing a lot of testing today. Yeah, it's been a lot. And I'm also gonna do a whole setup tour because I've been meaning to do that for a while, but it's not quite ready. It's literally like 90%. I just need to get some stuff for with Amazon and whatnot. So yeah, this is a tight video. It's packed stuff. Is that it? I think that's it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching my video. As always, thank you guys for all the subscribers over the past 2-3 days. I'm pretty sure if I live stream, we can get even more in here. I just need the conversations flowing. I want the comments down below. I want people talking to me on Instagram. Yes, I might take a while to respond to you on Instagram because I do a lot of posting. I'm on Instagram, off Instagram, on Instagram, off Instagram, Twitter, same thing goes. So I will get back to you. It's not like I reply to everything. So I will get back to you. It might take some time, but I will get back to you. So yeah, that's kind of it. That's it really for this video. So like I said before, thank you for watching. Let me know how you feel about everything. If you're gonna stay on the platform, go to a different platform, all that kind of good stuff. But yeah, thank you for watching. I said like 3 times now, but truly, thank you for everything, the support, everything, because I really do appreciate it. Yeah, I'm out. Let me stop blabbing. DollarMike. Peace.